What if I told you that the world's richest 1% aren't just lucky? They've mastered a set of skills that set them apart. Skills that anyone, including you, can learn. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 high-income skills that top earners use to build their wealth. Stick around, because one of these might just change your life. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 7 high-income skills that the world's wealthiest people have mastered. These aren't just nice-to-have skills. They are must-haves if you want to earn more, have financial freedom, and create opportunities that others can only dream of. In this video, we'll break down each skill, explain why it's valuable, and give you actionable tips to start learning them today. So, hit that subscribe button, grab a notebook, and let's unlock your potential to join the top 1%. Sales first on our list is sales. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or even an idea, sales is the foundation of wealth. Why is it important? Because every successful business, from tech giants to small startups, relies on sales to grow and scale. How to learn it? Read books like Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone. Practice communication and persuasion skills. Start selling anything, products online, freelance services, or even your ideas in meetings. The better you are at sales, the better you'll be at creating value and earning more. Copywriting. The second high-income skill is copywriting. This is the art of using words to sell products, services, or ideas online. Why is it important? Because great copy sells, whether it's through ads, emails, or social media captions. How to learn it? Study sales letters and marketing campaigns. Read The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert Bly. Practice writing daily, emails, blogs, or sales pages. Master copywriting, and you'll always have opportunities in the digital economy. Digital marketing. Third, we have digital marketing. In today's world, every business needs an online presence. Why is it important? Digital marketing helps businesses reach millions of customers globally without spending a fortune. How to learn it? Take online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Experiment with Facebook ads, Google ads, or SEO. Build and grow your own social media page or blog. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for digital marketing experts. Public speaking. Next up is public speaking. This isn't just for motivational speakers. It's for leaders, salespeople, and entrepreneurs. Why is it important? Because the ability to communicate confidently can open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and growth. How to learn it? Join a public speaking group like Toastmasters. Practice speaking in front of a mirror or record yourself. Study great speakers like Steve Jobs and Simon Sinek. Your words have power. Use them wisely. Investing fifth on our list is investing. This skill isn't just for Wall Street. It's for anyone who wants their money to work for them. Why is it important? Because saving alone won't build wealth. You need to grow your money through smart investments. How to learn it? Read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Start with simple investments like index funds or ETFs. Learn about risk management and diversification. Investing isn't about luck. It's about strategy and patience. Networking. Number 6 is networking. Your network is your net worth. Why is it important? Because connections can open doors to jobs, clients, and business partnerships. How to learn it? Attend industry events and seminars. Build genuine relationships, not just transactional ones. Follow up and stay in touch with your contacts. Remember, success isn't just about what you know. It's about who you know. Problem solving. Finally, we have problem solving. Every successful business or career is built around solving problems. Why is it important? Because people pay for solutions, not effort. How to learn it. Break problems into smaller, manageable pieces. Think critically and ask questions. Study case studies of successful problem solvers like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger your reward. So, there you have it. The 7 high-income skills of the top 1%. Let's recap. Sales, copywriting, digital marketing, public speaking, investing, networking problem. Solving start by picking one skill and master it. With dedication and consistency, these skills can transform your life and your income. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with the skill you'll start working on today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.